Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut brittle easy, only way. Start by heating sugar and a splash of water until amber, then add butter and baking soda. Stir in toasted peanuts and work fast to prevent crystallization. Pour onto an oiled baking sheet and use a spatula to spread it thin. Let it cool briefly, then score into pieces so they break cleanly when set. Gather your tools and lay out ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and safe. Use a reliable candy thermometer to hit the right temperature without guessing. Keep a bowl of cold water nearby for safety and to test syrup if needed. Preheat and grease your baking sheet so you can pour the brittle immediately once it reaches color and temperature for perfect results every time. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that reframes saving and spending in a way that makes financing small joys like homemade treats feel doable and fun. I picked it up and enjoyed the simple approach. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat control and timing are the keys to success with peanut brittle, giving you a glossy amber finish and crunchy texture. Remove the pan from heat before adding baking soda so it foams and creates that light, crisp bite. Mix in peanuts evenly and pour without delay to avoid uneven clusters. Cool on a flat, greased surface and score, while warm for tidy, satisfying pieces you can store or gift.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.